Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to convert your Canva designs to CorelDRAW. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your finished design in Canva. Once you have your design ready and you're happy with how it looks, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a menu of sharing options. From the menu that appears, you'll see several options for sharing your design. Look for and click on Download. This will open up the download settings where you can choose how you want to export your design. Selecting the right format here is crucial for maintaining quality when importing into CorelDRAW. Next, you'll need to change the file type to ensure compatibility with CorelDRAW. In the File Type menu, click on the drop-down and select PDF Print from the list of available formats. This format is important because it preserves all the design elements, layers, and quality that CorelDRAW needs to work with your file properly. PDF Print maintains vector elements better than standard image formats, which means your design will remain crisp and editable. Once you've selected PDF Print as your file type, click the Download button at the bottom. Your design will now begin downloading to your computer. Depending on the size of your design and your internet connection, this might take a few moments to complete. Make sure to remember where this file is being saved, as you'll need to locate it in the next step. Now, open CorelDRAW on your computer. When the application launches, you'll see several options on the welcome screen. Look for and click on Open from this device. This option allows you to browse your computer's files and select the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. A file browser window will appear on your screen. Navigate to the location where your Canva PDF was downloaded, which is typically in your Downloads folder unless you specified otherwise. Once you locate the file, select it by clicking on it once to highlight it, then click the Open button. This tells CorelDRAW to prepare the file for import. Finally, a dialog box will appear with import settings. Click OK to import the design into CorelDRAW. The application will now process the PDF and bring all your design elements into the workspace where you can edit and work with them using CorelDRAW's powerful tools. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Canva design to CorelDRAW and can now continue editing with all of CorelDRAW's features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.